July 5, 2010, Mayor Julio Cesar V. Vergara declared war against corruption towards good governance, accountability, and transparency. He is once again faced with a difficult task restoring the city the way he left it. The changes and reforms in policies that he has painstakingly instituted in his 9 years as city mayor has been compromised. On his first Monday, upon assumption of office as the city chief executive, Mayor J expressed his extreme disappointment over the corrupt acts, abuses, and other malpractice occurred in the city government. In the flag-raising ceremony, he symbolically crumpled a paper written the pananumpa ng lingkod bayan on it as a gesture of his great dismay and displeasure. He declared that the start of his administration shall be the end of the culture of corruption that defined the previous administration.
Bigyan ako ng kamay para itong bagay na ito, from business process review to reorganization, mapangyari. At hinihiling ko po sa inyong lahat ang inyong kooperasyon. Pakita natin muli sa bawat isa sa inyo na ang kabanatuan ay dapat natin paglingkuran. Na ang taong bayan ang importante at inuuna higit sa lahat kesa sa bulsa natin na lingkod bayan. Kaya nga po tayo'y lingkod bayan. Nilalamukos ko po ito ngayon at pagbuo ng muli at saka ninyo bigkasin ng maayos ng nararapat.
Mayor J refined the city's manpower from their punctuality, productivity up to the evaluation of each and every employee's performance as part of improvements in internal administrative systems.
Mga taong bayan, sa ating minamahal na kabanatuan, tayo po ay nagsisimula na naman sa bagong pahina ng ating kasaysayan, ng ating buhay. Hindi po pwedeng kami lang. Dapat kayo din, mga taong bayan.
Mayor J initiated improvements in internal controls through the development of a document tracking system in purchases, supplies, inventory of properties, processing of allotments and obligations, and other expenditures incurred by the city government to promote financial accountability and transparency in all transactions, thus achieving effective allocation and optimum utilization of financial resources.